Malu is a graduating college student in a university while Maki is an Iranian medical student in the same university. Maki courted Malu and asked her to move in with him. Malu said that she would consent to what he wants as long as he would marry her. They started living together and Maki went to Malu's parents to ask for her hand. As they had set a wedding date, Malu's parents already invited all their relatives and asked several friends to stand as the principal sponsors. However, after a few weeks, Malu went back to her parents because Maki had been maltreating her and that he had broken his promise to marry her. Malu asks if she can make Maki liable for damages because of his breach of promise to marry. It is important to note that breach of promise to marry is not an actionable wrong. However, in a similar case decided by the Supreme Court, a woman was awarded damages because of the following. It was said that the promise to marry is in fact the proximate cause of the acceptance of his love by a woman, and by his representation to fulfill that promise thereafter becomes the proximate cause of the giving of herself unto him in a sexual congress, proof that he had in reality no intention of marrying her, and that the promise was only a subtle scheme or deceptive device to entice or inveigle her to accept him and to obtain her consent to the sexual act. This could justify the award of damages not because of the promise to marry, but because of the fraud and deceit behind it, and the willful injury to her honor and reputation which followed thereafter. It is essential, however, that such injury should have been committed in a manner contrary to morals, good customs, or public policy. If you have any legal questions, please do not hesitate to email us at ptv4newscenter@gmail.com. This is Attorney JJ Jimeno Atienza for the Rule of Law.